Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Raka007 and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to view your analytics, how to read your analytics and know what your analytics is all about on TikTok. So let's launch TikTok, and what you need to do is to go to your profile, which is the me icon. So you need to go to your profile on TikTok, and then what you need to do next is to select the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. So you could see those dots right there. So let's select the three dots, and what you need to do next is to go to Creator Tools. Now Creator Tools can be located here, so you need to click on Creator Tools, and from Creator Tools what you need to look for is Analytics. Now once you've launched into the Analytics, there are quite a lot of stuff happening there, and I'm going to show you guys how to easily and freely navigate through these. So as you can see, we have the engagement, we have follower activity, we have content, and we have live. And now for all of these, it is basically set for the last 7 days, the time frame. So we could also tap on the time frame here, this icon or this button here. We could also tap on that, and we could set this to a particular time. So we could set this for the last 28 days, and let's give that some time to upload, or update rather. So as you can see, my video views in the last 28 days have been 174,000, and I've received quite a lot of profile visits and likes and shares and all of that. So now you could tap into all of these separately. So as you can see, we could tap into the engagement. So if I should tap the arrow beside engagement, I will get a more detailed look at what's happening as it regards to all of these engagements, what is happening on each particular day. Now as you can see, this is the first day of posting to this channel, which is around 2 to 3 weeks, 3 weeks, yes. And as you can see, these are the graph which shows what is happening. So let's click on followers, and once you've clicked on followers, it will show you a chart with the basically the growth of your following, and then you will see their gender and their territory. Now the territory for Snapchat basically fits to your current location. So I'm in Jamaica, so that is why my TikToks get shown to literally mostly Jamaicans. And as you can see, we have more follower activities here when we received certain number of followers and so on. And as you can see, if we should click on live, we could see if we had any unique viewers from the live stream when last we went live and all of that. And as you can see, if we click on content, we could see all of the video posts which we've made and so on. And down here we have the option to see trending videos. Trending videos are the top 9 videos with the fastest growth in the number over the past 7 days. So that is where you'd see the trending videos and then just the regular posts. So that is how you'd go about reading your analytics on TikTok and having an overview of what's happening to see basically which content you could improve on or double down on. As you can see, this one has 28,000 views in the last 7 days. So if I were to double down on that content, basically use that audio and hashtags from that particular video, I would possibly double or triple the views which I received. So that is it, guys, how to take a look into your analytics and how to better understand what is happening on your TikTok profile. And as you can see, my inbox is going off like crazy right now. So yeah, just click on the three dots in the top right corner, Creator Tools and Analytics, and there you should have a good look into what's happening. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you were able to navigate through your analytics and see what is happening on your TikTok channel. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. Raka007 out.